Often people will ask me to define or explain family constellations work, and because this request is quite complicated, I like to use the Indian legend about the blind man and the elephant. The poem goes like this. There were 4 men from Indostan, to learning much inclined, who went to see the elephant, though all of them were blind, that each by observation might satisfy his mind. The first approached the elephant, and happening to fall against his broad and sturdy side, at once began to bawl, "God bless me, but the elephant is very like a wall." The second, feeling of the tusk, cried, "Ho, what have we here? So very round and smooth and sharp. To me, 'tis mighty clear this wonder of an elephant is very like a spear." The third, who chanced to touch the ear, said, "Even the blindest man can tell what this resembles most. Deny the fact who can, this marvel of an elephant is very like a fan." The fourth, no sooner had begun about the beast to grope, than seizing on the swinging tail that fell within his scope, "I see," quotes he, "the elephant is very like a rope." And so, these men of Indostan disputed loud and long, each in his own opinion, exceeding stiff and strong, though each was partly in the right, and all were in the wrong. The moral of this story is that there may be some truth to what someone else says. Sometimes we can see that truth and sometimes not, because they may have different perspective which we not agree with. Family constellations allow us to step beyond the limited perception of ourself, our situation, or our problem, and see the elephant as the sum of its very different parts. And family constellations looks at the family as a complex system with all its bonds, entanglements, and weaves. And with new understanding, we can change our thoughts, behavior, and ultimately change our life. Come to Family Constellation session, and together we will see how healing can take place for you, seeing through different perspective. Always glad to see you.